Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a US bank credit card holder, you've probably been earning those sweet rewards points without a second thought. But let's face it, redeeming them can sometimes feel like a mystery. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to redeem your US bank credit card rewards in 2025, step by step. Whether you're saving for a vacation or just want some extra cash, this guide will make it easy and stress-free. First off, why bother redeeming? Well, rewards can add up quickly, and with potential updates in 2025, it's a great time to cash in. So, grab your card and let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your US bank account. You can do this through the website or the mobile app. Just use your username and password. If you haven't set up online access, do that now, it's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Rewards section. Look for a tab or menu that says Rewards or Points. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Now, explore your options. US Bank offers a variety of redemption choices, like cashback, travel bookings, gift cards, or even merchandise. In 2025, you might see new features, such as enhanced travel partnerships, so keep an eye out for those. Select the redemption method that suits you best. For instance, if you're going for cashback, enter the amount you want to redeem, making sure it meets any minimum requirements. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes. Review the details like the reward value and any fees. Finally, confirm your redemption. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and your rewards will be on their way. A quick tip. Always redeem before points expire, and consider the value. Sometimes travel redemptions offer better bang for your buck. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be maximizing your rewards in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.